G'day YouTubes, here's my sanitaire vacuum cleaner again. Sorry about that, we were having some technical difficulties there a little bit. I already showed you the belt and stuff. It's my sanitaire vacuum cleaner. It says Sanitaire by Electrolux. Heavy duty commercial. This is on that side. It says Sanitaire commercial. There's my handle. I'll show you the beta bar. That's the beta bar. Actually, that's the beta bar right there. All steel metal beater bar. All steel metal beater bar. There's the brushes, wheels, the wheels right there. See the wheels? Yeah. This is the belt cover. Again. If I can, hold on a second. Get off here. See, that's the belt. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah. If I can put that back on. Come on. Easier than it fucking looks. Spoons. Am I putting it on right? Duh. Fucking belt cover. Does it not go? Alright. Listen, what the hell's the problem with this thing? Hold on a minute, tubes. Must not be putting the belt cover on right or something. Come on. It's supposed to go like this, I think. There it goes. What the heck? Come on! The vacuum cleaner. It's a vacuum cleaner, tubes. What is that? There it goes. There. That's my like I said, that's my sanitaire vacuum cleaner. Has a 50-foot power cord. Has a 6-position carpet height adjustment. That's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. This vacuum has a 16-inch wide cleaning path. That switch right there turns my motor on when the vacuum is plugged into the outlet. That's my cord. See? Has 3 prongs. 3 prongs. Electrify the phone. You get it back on there. This vacuum tubes is built really well. This is how you get the handle to go down right there on that little gray pedal. the vacuum cleaner, my sanitaire. That's my that spring right there is my bag spring. It's my bag spring is connected to that little thing right there. This little spring is to my cord. This is pretty. It's pretty easy to take the bag off this vacuum. See, look at that. To really take the bag off, I have to see that. I have to disconnect that. See, that's my says sanitaire heavy commercial, and this is how you connect up. This is how you connect the bag back up to my sanitaire, like that, right there. See it? See that? That's a little hook right there where the bag spring sits on. And ready, tubes? I'll ding the spring. Ready? Listen to that. Ready? This metal part allows me access. Allows me to inside the bag. I'm not going to take that metal part off because the spring is hooked up to the vacuum. And my motor, sorry about that, tubes, put my hands in the way. My motor that has little side vents, so that way the heat, when this vacuum is running, that way all the heat escapes. There's another side vent right there. And sorry about that, tubes, put my hand in the way of the camera. I highly recommend a sanitaire commercial vacuum cleaner. This is my sanitaire sc899 commercial grade vacuum cleaner. It's all made out of metal. Only plastic parts that are on it is the cord hooks, and most of it is all metal. I have a metal handle, have a metal bag spring, metal cord spring, the metal bag thing right here on the top of the bag. And then I have a metal, I have a all steel metal chrome hood. And I'll pick up the vacuum so you can see it closer into the camera. That's my sanitaire vacuum. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you later, tubes. Ian Laconia NH signing out. I'll show you the vacuum one more time. There it is.